In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a link in Monopoly Go. It's a simple process, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure that you can easily share the fun with your friends and family. The first thing you need to do is open your Monopoly Go app. If you haven't already downloaded it, head to your app store and get it installed. Once it's up and running, tap to open the app and let's dive right in. After opening the app, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see an option labeled Friends. Go ahead and tap on it. This section of the app is where you can manage your connections, see who you're playing with, and of course, send out those all-important invites. Once you're in the Friends section, look for the button that says Invite. This button is your gateway to sharing the Monopoly Go experience with others. Tap on Invite, and you'll notice that you have a couple of ways to proceed. The app conveniently provides options to send the invite link through different platforms. You can choose to send it via Facebook if you have those contacts connected, or you can explore other available platforms on your mobile device, like messaging apps or email services that you frequently use. Choosing the right platform depends on your preference and where your friends are most responsive. If they're frequent Facebook users, sending the invite through Facebook could get a quicker response. However, for those who enjoy more direct communication, texting the link or sending it via a messaging app like WhatsApp or iMessage might be the way to go. Remember, the goal here is to make it as easy as possible for your friends to join you. Whichever method you choose, sending an invite link is a seamless process designed to get everyone in the game with minimal fuss. It allows your friends to receive a direct invitation and dive into Monopoly Go with just a few clicks, turning your single-player experience into a dynamic, multiplayer board game adventure. And there you have it. That's all it takes to send an invite link in Monopoly Go. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and gameplay tips. Connecting with friends can elevate your gaming experience, and now you're equipped with the know-how to make that happen with ease. Happy gaming, and I'll see you in the next video.